So you want to be a social media manager but you don't know where to start, how to start, or where to begin? Well, lucky for you, you're in the right video. Hi, I'm Anis from Zucchini & Co. and I'm here to talk about Social Media Managing 101. So there are a few things you should think about before starting an account. Firstly, what is your social media strategy? So to find this out, you need to know who your target audience is and what is your goal. It's so that it gives you a better idea of what kind of content you need to post and what platform you should also focus on. For example, if you're focusing more on the millennial section, so maybe you should include contents that are funny or maybe include some memes into it. And the platform that you should also focus on is maybe TikTok because it's fun, it's engaging, and it's super funny. Also, think about what your objective is. Is it to increase sales? Is it to build a community? Is it to create awareness? Or many more. Number 2, create an engagement strategy. So after you're done in creating content, you have got to engage with your audience, whether it will be through your captions, your hashtags, or even customer service. So it's not just replying to DMs or it's not just replying to comments. For example, if you were to post a photo of an ice cream, how about you end the caption with, "What is your favorite ice cream flavor?" or "What's your favorite ice cream brand?" Thirdly, scheduling. If you are someone who posts a lot of content in a day, then scheduling is a great practice to start. Because A, it saves time so you don't have to think about what content to post on the day. B, you're more productive because you can think about the other things that you need to do. And thirdly, it gives you a clear view for you and your clients to see and collaborate together. Lastly, after the posting, after the engaging, here comes the last bit, which is reporting and analyzing your data. This way, you can see what works well and what doesn't. So if it works well, think about how you can make it even better. If it doesn't, this is where you brainstorm with your team and think about what you can do to improve it. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode on how to be a social media manager. If you want more tips and tricks, please give it a like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching!